Okay, quick demo of our LLM Insights data analytics. So what we are going to do in this application is passing sales data, like what we are seeing here, that has order ID, date, product category, the sales amount, customer, etc. So we are passing this data to our chatbot and we can ask questions about our data. For example, which category brought most of the revenue? Oh, I have a typo here, but anyways, LLMs are intelligent, so it's going to generate the right data. I actually did the calculation on our data, and electronics is the right answer. And we have something really cool here. Let's say generate pie chart for electronics. And as you see, it generated the pie chart for our electronics category based on each product, a smartwatch, wireless headphone, fitness tracker, or Bluetooth speaker. So here we are going to build this chatbot, but this doesn't end here. In future articles, we are going to have persistent chats and improve prompt engineering for our chatbot, and also integrate with real API to pull sales data.